नमस्ते बिटिया हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया माई सेल्फ JVN Dr. Astha Sikarwar Assistant Professor Department of Organ of Medicine Faculty of Homeopathic Science Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Today's topic is from JT Kent Philosophy. The removal of the totality of symptoms means the removal of the cause. The removal of the totality of the symptoms is actually the removal of the cause. Since cause continues into ultimates and things in ultimate shadow forth cause, the removal of all the symptoms will lead to assume that the cause has been removed. Unless causes are removed from beginning to end, the disease can reproduce itself. Permanent removal of the totality of the symptoms removes the cause and turns disorder into order, and as a consequence, the results of disease are removed. The sole aim of the physician who knows the true object of his mission consists not in learned sounding prating but in giving aid to the sick. The doctrines of homeopathy should not be clouded in technicalities but should be considered and talked out in the simplest forms of speech. The totality of the symptoms is first considered to be all that is essential of the disease. Second, all that is visible and represents the disease in the natural world to the eye, the touch, and external understanding of man. Third, it is all that enables the physician to individualize between diseases and between remedies. Fourth, the entire representation of a disease. Fifth, the entire representation of a drug. Sixth, bring to the mind a clear idea of the nature of the sickness. Seventh, the sole indication in the choice of the remedy. The sum of all the symptoms in each individual case of disease must be the sole indication, the sole guide to direct us in the choice of a remedy. Medicines must be capable of effecting changes in the economy or they cannot restore order in the economy. If the medicine is too high to effect a disturbance in an irregularly governed economy, it will be too high to effect a cure in that economy. The effect that medicines have upon the sick in restoring order can best be observed by inducing the effects upon healthy individuals. Every medicine that a homeopath uses should be thoroughly proven upon the healthy so that its symptom image shall have been thoroughly brought out. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.